to the channel, guys. Today is a lot of different content because we got a lot of Cadillacs in the background. We got Rob's 25 Blackwing, Adam's 26 Blackwing, and we got a 25 Escalade. A lot of doing different works here. You guys already know we do lots of C8 Corvettes. Show that line real quick. All of you guys that supports Boost District, you guys rock and we appreciate you. We are packed, we're grateful, we're blessed, and I just want to say thank you. Anyways, let's get to today's video and talk about these cars. We got Blackwing Nation, Escalade Nation, and now these two cars might look like the same from factory, but the build on these are quite vastly different, and the aesthetics already show it. Adam's car is a full head scam, ported blower, full crazy build. And then we got a more classier, different style build right here. They're just different. It's just my preference.
This is more subtle.
Yes.
And you're gonna hear when this guy comes.
Yeah, like Adam is just in your face. He wants to show everything, and he wants to be heard as far as possible, as humanly possible. But this one is Rob's car. He actually bought my Blackwing, that 2024 that we had, the white one that you guys have seen on our channel before. That was the world's first tuned Blackwing, and he wanted the exact same car built again. So this one is a little bit more refined though. We've learned a few things 2 years ago from when we first built it to what we're doing now. So it's a little nicer, a little bit more quality, and makes more power too. So let's get into this video. We'll save Adam's video for later on here, but we'll dive into Rob's first and talk about this car because I want to show you guys the engine bay and the whole build. So he had a white one before, he wanted a black one now, he wanted a nice interior. We'll talk about that in a second, but let's show where the party starts in the engine bay. Again, 2025 Escalade. This one, we did a couple things different and I want to show it to you guys. So Magnuson 2650, and we did a upper pulley on it and also a nice complete install on the car. On this specific package, we did a nice routing of the hoses up top on the other side, and on the bottom throughout the throttle body to keep it a nice tuck clean install. We also did a hose sheeting on the rest of the kit to make it look OEM plus. We wanted to make it really just an attention getter on how a Cadillac should be looking from the factory, but obviously with a lot more power on tap. This thing made, we'll get into the dyno session in a second, but it made good power, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. And I love when I can build cars my way and the customers appreciate it and they want it exactly the same way that we have it. So with our C8s, my Stingray, my hardtop convertible car, my E-Ray, the ZR1, lots of you guys have been calling about that, and we want to do the same things with these Blackwings. So we built several Blackwings, and we're really excited to just keep going on these cars and keep progressing. So let's get into the dyno session on this car, show you guys how much this power made, and let's go drive it right after that so you guys can see how good it sounds.
For somebody, if somebody doesn't know much about cars, I'm pretty sure they would think this is stock.
Yes.
Like everything looks OEM. It doesn't look like it's been modified.
That's the point. Like Rob always goes to a lot of business meetings. He meets a lot of people and takes clients' car with this car. He doesn't want anything radical, but it does have the option for it because we did keep the bimodal exhaust on the car, but we did fab speed high flow cats on the car, and we did the supercharger, and the power numbers between those two upgrades is awesome, but you don't hear a ticking sound, a lumpy sound, or anything wild like that. It drives like stock and it sounds amazing, and it still rumbles when you want it to. Alright guys, so the catalytic converter has been replaced. This is the original OEM catalytic converter. The new ones that we got from FabSpeed is a little lighter than this and also more beefier. It's gonna sound really good and throaty. If you guys think this already has the right burble on it, changing the catalytic converter goes a long way with that too. Now that we've talked about the exhaust part on this car, let's talk about the blower now. We're putting the Magnuson 2650 on this one like we talked about earlier. Now the car has been completely apart on the top. OEM supercharger has been removed off it and cleaned up. We've clearanced the valve covers already to fit the brackets and also the coil packs. It's ready to supercharger on top of it. Justin is working on that right now. This thing gets plopped and we're off to the home run. So, or we're off to, what is that word?
Off to the races.
Yeah, and we're off to the races. So let's get this supercharger on it and let's hear this thing fire. Alright guys, that sounded really good. The beautiful thing with the Blackwing, it's a family hauler that makes a ton of power. It made 603 wheel horsepower bone stock with no mods out of the dealership floor with 1,000 miles on it. 603 wheel. Now we added the 2650 and the exhaust and a couple other goodies that we talked about already. First run, it made 703.7 horsepower to the wheel, 697 torque. Second run, we had a little bit more spice in it, and we picked up 8 horsepower. We made 711 and 712 torque. Then on the final run, we cleaned up everything and we let it cool down for a second, and we made 730 wheel horsepower. 130 horsepower pickup with just several mods, and it sounds good, drives everywhere. It's still the exact same maintenance as a OEM CT5-V. It has a TVS supercharger in it, 100,000 mile oil change on those, so no maintenance pretty much. And everything else runs into place. Tuning is adequate. It's 93 octane safe, or if you want to have 91 octane, we can tune for that too. So it's spot on. Let me clean this graph up so you guys can see the gains that we have from top to bottom on this thing. So from stock to what we have, look at that bump right there. Just off the hit, off the cuff, you already have a huge 130 horsepower right there. 743, 619 on the torque, huge. And then on the horsepower, you also have 70 horsepower at 2,700 RPM. So like throughout the power band, right, you pick up the whole power. It's not a dyno queen that, there's a meme that I saw somewhere that there's a dyno graph that wins the race, and there's a dyno graph that makes internet clout. This wins the race. You pick up power from the beginning to the end. You just don't dip. You don't have a dip of high power here to make a dyno queen. But that's, what is that? What do they say? The proof is in the pudding. Is that the right thing to say? I don't think so. I think my wife made fun of me because I said it wrong. But anyways, the proof is in the Blackwing. Let's just put it that. So the proof is in the boost district. So I'm happy with these gains. It's really strong. It mimicked my own personal CT5-V BLACKWING, like I said to you guys. He wanted just the brand new 2026 version, so we gave him the exact same thing on his CT5-V BLACKWING, but with a little bit more changes that we did nicely to it, and he enjoys it. So updated to the 2026 standards that we do now, a little bit more nice routing, cleanliness, different style of build, but more power. More power. We picked up more power, and I'm happy with this. He's gonna be back soon here with a JLT intake that we ordered for him. So we're gonna put the intake on it, and we're gonna see if it picks up a little bit more power. It's definitely gonna be whining more. So stay tuned, because he's gonna be running that car a little bit in the track here and there in our shop. And we'll see you in the next one. We have another badass Blackwing video that is on the works with a lot more spice to it. So Adam's video is gonna be dropping soon. The Escalade video, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Thing is pretty badass. We have the Superchargers for those in stock. So if you guys have any questions about these two cars and other cars that we build, send us an email at our website, boostdistrict.com. If you guys have any questions, holler down below, and let me know if you guys want to see anything else different. This is awesome, so stay boosted. All right. CT5 Blackwing with our Stage 2 Supercharger and exhaust package. Really beautiful car. I built my car exactly like this. This is how I would build mine, and it's a gorgeous. Like, let's listen to it real quick, and how the V mode, the loud version, as you can see, it's a little raspier. It sounds really good. It's a nice sports sedan. Let me stay quiet for a second, and let's use the universal race track, which is the on-ramp. Sounds really good. This car rips. It means business, but it also does business. Like, put it back in quiet mode. Quiet. It's just perfect.
Really nice cruiser.
Yes, it is. Rob is gonna love this car. But the beautiful thing about this car is that you can take it anywhere still. It's a 93 octane, and it's just peaceful. The beautiful thing about Boost District is we are part of a racetrack. We work in the racetrack. We live in the racetrack. So the next point of right now is we're gonna go take a rip right now in our home track and see how fast this thing goes, and how good it sounds going A to B. Let's go hit it. We're not doing a crazy pass. We just want to make sure it goes through the gears and it sounds good. So let's go hit it. It's sticky. Well guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. What's your pick? The CT5 Blackwing or the Cadillac Escalade? I like them both. I've had them both, and they're beautiful cars and trucks. So it's kind of a nice his and hers too, right? I definitely would be stealing the keys if that was my wife's car. Anyways, both cars picked up almost 150 wheel horsepower on just a blower and exhaust. A couple other things that we did to it. Obviously we put nice wheels on the Blackwing. We did paint match brakes on the Escalade, and a few other things that we've done on the background on these two cars. This thing has been a solid setup that we've done many times, the Escalade too. But obviously the rowdy thing will be right here, the CT5 Blackwing with the head scan, put a blower, upper, lower pulleys, and everything else that we did on the next video. So teaser that you guys see right here, but on the next video, you'll see this thing in action and a full dive down on what we've done to it. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay boosted, and thank you so much for the support. See ya.